My beautiful rock stars, it's Amara. The weather's a little mucky. It's really windy. This is not for play, it's for real. What can you do when the days get really rough? You can have wonderful autumn times, and you can also remember when times were nicer outside. So I'm gonna do that now. The future is the past is the future. I went through the waterfall. Eating cauliflower at a baseball game. This is Dean.
See,
Scotty.
We're cargo pants.
Walter.
Hey.
Down there we got Amy.
She knows what's happening.
And Janelle. Janelle, who snuck cauliflower into a baseball game because we're in Seattle. What up?
This is my guy right here. Leonis Martin.
It's appropriate. Mature. Bubble flash mob is over, but I think we can double down on the bubble thing and go get bubble tea. So let's do that. Woohoo! Bubble day! Georgetown Kid. Welcome to the water, Golden Gardens. That is beautiful. Going back to poking things on the beach, like looking at rocks, picking them up, putting sand in my pocket, you know. What you do? That is the story of Crab's new campground. This is just a dog I found. He's hanging out though, super cool. We're at the locks. Guys, that's a heron.